Epson OmniLink TM-m50 POS thermal receipt printer. Featuring a sleek, modern design, the compact OmniLink TM-m50 POS thermal receipt printer meets the needs of businesses both now and in the future. It can be dynamically shared by tablets, smartphones, and PC POS or cloud POS systems. With a multi-interface connectivity, it includes built-in Ethernet and USB plus Bluetooth and wireless options. Use Epson's EPOS print or server direct print technologies to print online orders or use with web-based POS applications. Built-in cloud functionality makes it easy to leverage best-of-breed POS applications and perform remote firmware upgrades via OmniLink merchant services. Epson's Beacon support provides distributed proximity-based printing, and NFC enables Bluetooth pairing for tablet connectivity and printer selection. The OmniLink merchant services operation leverage transaction data to provide value-added services to merchants, depending upon text and graphics. The M50 provides up to 49% in paper savings. I'd like to now talk to you about some of the features of the printer. If you take a look at the printer right now, it is set up for the orientation. This one is set up for front load, front exit, and this is set up for top load or top exit. And either printer that you get from the M50 family can be easily configured to either front exit or top exit. To do that, notice this printer is set up right now for front exit. You have the feet on the bottom. To do that, all you do is just take the cover plates off, just squeeze them, and they'll just easily slide off, snap off, right? And then you do the bottom the same way. Okay, and then you can take this and put it on the opposite side for the feet. And then you would just pop this one back in place here at the back. And now notice I just changed the configuration, and now it's a top exit printer. You can change them as many times as you like, depending on your business's needs. The Epson M50 printer is one of the most versatile printers that you can get on the market today. The printer comes, depending on the options you choose, you can get multiple interfaces. This particular printer here is a wireless USB and Ethernet printer, and you can see that here. You have your Ethernet ports, you have your power port, USB, serial, and you have your wireless dongle that plugs into a USB-A port on the printer. This model here is an Ethernet, USB, and Bluetooth printer, and it also has the USB hub, which is built in, which allows you to plug in an iPad to the printer for your POS applications to be able to keep your iPad charging all day long. So that's one less power supply you need plugged into your countertop. So less space on your countertop, makes it more organized. All printers come with a cash report. Once you have your printer in position and powered on, this printer is the Bluetooth version of the receipt printer, the M50. And now I'm going to show you just how easy it is to connect to this printer. So once it's powered on, and you can see that by the LED, the lights will flash for its on power on self-test, and it will go back to a blank screen. In my instance, I'm going to pair to it via an iPhone. So I'm going to go into my settings and my Bluetooth, and I'm going to look for the M50, which you can see shows up right here. It's just a simple tap, and it will just take it a moment to connect. And once she connects, that part is done. Now you just go to your app store, and you're going to go search for the Epson TM utility. And I'm going to go ahead and download that. Once a utility is downloaded, you can simply open it. It's going to find look for the printer. In my case, it's saying the printer is not selected, which is okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Select Printer. It wants to verify, look at my network. There, it found the TM-m50. I want to click on that. So now it shows that I am connected to my TM-m50 receipt printer. And I'm going to do, you can view things like the printer status, and it's going to communicate with the printer and check its status, and it's going to show you that the cover is closed in this instance. So I can actually open it, and you see now it shows that it's open. And it's ready to go again, and it shows it's closed again. And if you wanted to do a quick demonstration of printing a receipt, you can click on Printer Demonstration, and then we're going to click a sample receipt in this instance, and we'll click Print, and look how fast it is. Just that quick and easy, you have your receipt.